Hi, my name is Maya Aga from Sweden. I'm a graphic designer and today I'm going to present to you a logo solutions for your company Lux Medicine, outlining the design problem, showing you elements of research and development strategies. This would be followed by the recommended logo and its applicational items of collateral, and closing if you have any question to talk with you. What is the design problem? You need a logo design that translates your values to the public successfully. As the healthcare industry becomes more competitive every year, healthcare companies must aggressively market their business just to remain competitive. We can help you take your message out to the public and make your company better known. We can help you feel more positively about your image and to feel proud and excited about it. As we do with all the clients, we start by conducting an extensive research into your company, competitive and target market. This helps us define your brand's attributes, understand your business and audience goal, and define where your company sits in the competitive landscape. This allows us how we could search to produce solutions that are tailored to your needs. Lux and medicine means providing best quality of medical care services. Your company is known for the good and fast performance, for the trustworthiness and friendliness of the medical personnel in your company. It is known for providing comfort to the clients and reducing their suffer. I have used this knowledge just to support my ideas and put in force an effective strategy for your visual identity. One of the key decisions we might use to represent the company visually is the typeface that we use. Typeface has a voice. It is to define the client effectively in terms of who you are and how you excel yourself. I selected the Garamond typeface family. It's appropriate to your attributes. It combines the quality, simplicity, elegance and reliability. It is assertive without being imposing and has timeless beauty and readability. Colors carries intrinsic meaning to the brand's identity. It contributes to brand recognition. I opted 3 colors I suggest they are fitting with your values. The white color represents the cleanliness, clarity, hygiene and peace. The blue color represents trust, faith and loyalty. It is considered as a secure color. The red color is associated with the characteristics of strength and it is related to the medical domain. So let's take a look of some of our design concepts. This logo follows a theme of reliability and timelessness. I wanted to include additional structures that symbolize that Lux Medicine is not just another company. It has the extra something that the clients experience, something to remember. The combination of medical, home and speed symbols with the gauge of typography and colors contribute to define a unique design that interprets visually your personality. This logo is translating the key ideas of your company. It shapes your values such as trustworthiness and simplicity. The combination of the two letters L and M with a red cross in the middle create a new symbol that conveys the correct message to the public. The colors of the design with the typeface strengthen this. In this concept, I have adopted a different approach to Lux Medicine logo design. I have integrated heart, home, cross and circles to produce a new logo design. In my background experience, I strongly recommend you to use this design for your new corporate identity. It combines seriousness, dynamic and fresh design. It creates a memorable image and differentiates you from competitors. The simple typeface of your company name contrasts nicely with this and keeps the whole design fresh and appealing to the public. To further demonstrate how recommended logo works, branded collateral is a significant component to this, such as business card, branded uniform, and vehicle signature. I hope you have enjoyed my presentation. I have shown the design problem and its solutions. I have explained your new logo, branding and collateral ideas. I hope I have made the right choice in translating the key ideas and values of Lux Medicine to the public. If you have any question, I will be happy to provide answers or clarifications on anything that you need, and thank you.